Before starting, remove all makeup. Wet your face and apply the desired cleanser to your face or to the brush. For the best results, we recommend using GESKE cleansers, developed especially for our facial brushes. GESKE cleansers gently remove any impurities from deep within the pores, while nourishing the skin with naturally hydrating and skin-friendly ingredients. Guide the brush in gentle circular motions across your cheek for 15 seconds. Make sure to cover all areas on the cheek. Feel free to wet the brush as needed to maintain a layer of foam. Then repeat the process on the other side of your face. The use of our GESKE cleanser allows for an ultra-hygienic, deep cleansing with a gentle massage for softer skin and a youthful glow. Move on to your nose and under eye areas and scrub for another 15 seconds. The dedicated, innovative eye-nose area targeted design allows for easy cleaning. Move the brush to your forehead and guide the brush gently in a circular motion for 15 seconds. Pay attention to the hairline to thoroughly cleanse any dirt and sweat stuck around the hairline. Finish the cleanse by moving to your chin for the last 15 seconds. To finish the cleansing session, rinse your face and brush with water to remove any leftover cleanser and pat your face dry.